Well, here's something you don't see every day. So not only, I'm in my own garden by the way, not only have I got my absolute favourite butterfly, not one but two as you can see here, male and female orange tip mating on this red campion, which I just spotted as I turned around to head back up the garden after tending to a few pots down the bottom, and the male literally intercepted the female. I think the female has literally just emerged. It's not very often that the females are virgin for long, shall we say. The males are very good at sensing when a female has emerged, so that is absolutely fantastic to see them do this. I didn't even see this at all last year, so to actually see two mating in the wild is very rare. These orange tips of course are emerging now. They have been since kind of middle of April, although we're very, very late this year. Everything is kind of 2 to 3 weeks behind really. But these two are literally just clinging on. You can see the female completely suspended on the underside of this red campion, right next to my little wildlife pond. Absolute picture that is. And then, just as I was trying to precariously balance myself on the edge of the woodland border, which if I pan out at the moment you can see is full of red campion and bluebells. Primroses have gone over now, but you can see the two orange tips just there on the edge. So I'm just precariously balanced on the edge of the woodland border, and what did I happen to spot? Just go steady so I don't spook it. Just down there is a little slow worm, which has absolutely made my day. They are effectively legless lizards, slow worms. They love dense vegetation, brash piles, compost heaps, which is where you'll mostly find them in the wild. Well, I say wild, not too many compost heaps in the wild. I'll just try and move without getting cramp. See if I can get you a better shot of these incredible creatures. Nice and steady so I don't spook it. And they will spend the winter hibernating. They'll emerge usually around April and feed on a lot of insects. Slugs are a big part of their diet, mostly small invertebrates. It's an absolutely beautiful creature. Not too bothered by my presence. So yeah, and that's just literally basking itself. Try and focus the camera at the bottom of this tree. See, I've got some nice sort of brash piles and logs. Best thing you can do for slow worms is just have some debris in your garden, leaves, grass cuttings, logs. Just leave it in a pile, and they will absolutely love it. And then to top it off, I've just seen two shield bugs mating. Equally incredible these insects are. Give off a bit of a potent smell if you disturb them and they don't like you. So I'm not going to get too close to them, but as you can see they're all at it today. I think the slow worm's just on the move a little bit. There's a few in the garden that I've seen, and this is the first one that's appeared this year, so thank you to the orange tips for alerting me to this. So within about a metre I've got my little slow worm there, got some shield bugs mating, and let's go back to these beautiful orange tips which are just breathtaking. And there goes another male. Just past me in the background. I think he's on the other side of the garden now. You can just see him. Oh, he's gone up and over into the neighbours. So they really are starting to emerge now after the cold spell, and they are just looking fabulous. The black and or sorry, the camouflage markings on the underside of an orange tip, by the way, are indeed black and yellow. They look green, but they're a series of black and yellow dots. And the male is on the top, as you can see, with his lovely orange tips, hence the name. And the female lack the orange tips, so they have black tips to the edges of the wings. Quite difficult to tell apart from the other whites, the other white butterflies found in the UK in flight. So the green vein white, the small white, and the large white starting to be seen again now. But what an absolute privilege. So, if you're thinking about investing in a wildlife garden and going the whole hog, getting rid of your lawn, having a little wildlife pond, and I'll do a full video on the garden at this early part in May very soon, then I strongly recommend you do so, because sites like these just absolutely make my day, and I'm sure they would yours. So I'm going to leave these lots to get on with their daily routine. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will be definitely bringing you more activity from my own garden and the benefits of having a wildlife garden, and indeed how you can attract more wildlife to your own garden in videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.